Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you step by step how to buy USDT on Binance using PayPal. First, open the Binance app or go to the Binance website and log in to your account. Make sure your identity verification is completed before you continue. After you are logged in, move your mouse over the trade button at the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select P2P. This will open the peer-to-peer marketplace where you can buy USDT directly from other users. Now make sure the Buy tab is selected and USDT is chosen as the coin. After that, go to the Filters option. Here you can enter the transaction amount you want to spend. Then select your currency. Next, look at the Payment Methods section. Search for PayPal. If PayPal is available, click on it and apply the filter. If PayPal is not available, you will need to transfer funds from your PayPal account to your bank account first. Once the money is in your bank account, go back to Binance. In the Payment Methods filter, select Bank Transfer instead. Now you will see sellers who accept bank transfers. Take your time to review the sellers. Check their completion rate and number of orders. Choose a trusted seller with a high completion rate. Follow the payment instructions carefully and complete the transfer. Thanks for watching.